How to draw Rapunzel's dad, King Frederic. We are going to begin by drawing the outline of his face. For this, we will draw two lines, one long line on the left side and one long line on the right side for the two sides of his face. Then we will connect them at the top with a slightly curved line. Next, we are going to draw his beard. We will start inside the outline of his face on the left side and draw a curved line going below the outline. Then we will draw a long curved line going towards the right side of the face and draw another curved line inwards. Then we will make sure the two sides of his face connect to his beard. Awesome job! Now above his beard we are going to draw his mustache. We will start by drawing a small curved line in the middle above his beard. Then we will draw a curved line that goes downwards and comes to a point and connects back to his beard. Next, we will do the same thing on the left side. Then we will draw a curved line connecting the two sides of his mustache at the bottom. Then below that curved line we will draw a line. This will be for his lip that will be in between his mustache and beard. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next we are going to draw King Frederic's nose. For this we will draw two small curved lines above his mustache. Then from the curve on the left side, we will draw a line going upwards for the bridge of his nose. Great job! Next we are going to draw King Frederic's eyes. We will first draw his left eye. For this we will draw an oval-like shape to the left of the bridge of his nose. Then towards the right side of that oval, we are going to draw a curved line for his eye. Then inside of his eye, we are going to draw a C. Then we will bolden the C for his pupil. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. King Frederic is looking awesome. Now we will draw his right eye the same way that we just drew his left one. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we will draw his eyebrows. We are going to start by drawing his right eyebrow. For this, we will draw a line going up and down above the inner part of his eye, and then draw a curved line connecting to the outside of his face. Then we will draw another curved line going from the top of that straight line connecting to the outside of his face as well. Looks awesome! Now we are going to draw his left eyebrow. We will draw this one the same way that we drew his right one. Next, we are going to draw King Frederic's left ear. For this, we will draw a C-like shape that connects at the bottom to his face, but not at the top. Then in the space at the top of his ear, we are going to draw a curved line connecting to his face. This will be for his sideburns. Next, we are going to draw a wavy line in his ear for detail. Then we are going to draw his right ear the same way that we just drew his left one, including his sideburn. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to draw King Frederic's hair. We will start at the top of his left ear and draw a curved line going upwards, and then draw a few more big curved lines going around his head connecting to the top of his right ear. Lastly, we are going to draw some lines in his beard and mustache for detail. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, then give it a big like below and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.